Okay, you guys, we're at the Wynn Resort and Hotel in Las Vegas. This is the Encore Tower Suite. We are on the 62nd floor, so it's very high up. When you walk in, to your right here, you have a very luxurious bathroom. You have his and her sinks over there. You have a mirror that's gold plated around the edges. You have a TV right here, which you can watch whatever you want while you're getting ready or doing your makeup. Over here to the right, you have your bathtub. And over here you have your walk-in shower. And then on this side, you have your toilet room. You have your robe on the wall. And you walk back into the hallway. You have a mirror right here. So this mirror is for when you fully get dressed. You can see how you look good, feel good. On this side, you have a walk-in closet, double door walk-in closet. Up there you have spare blankets, place to hang your clothes. You have a safe on the wall to put your expensive belongings. You have dresser space and a place to put your luggage. Okay, now we walk into the bedroom. In the bedroom, you have a very plush king-size bed, very comfortable too. Over here, you actually have an iPad. This iPad controls everything. It controls the TV. You want room service, you go here. You can order whatever you want. You control all the air and everything in here. You can turn off the lights, anything you want to do. Over here, you have about a 50-inch flat screen TV. You have dresser drawer space. You also have your mini bar on this side. All the snacks you want to eat right there. Ice bucket, glasses. In here you have your refrigerator with your mini bar. Fully stocked mini bar. Over here, nothing there, but you can put stuff there. And then when you walk through here, you have your living room. You have a desk for if you have things you need to do and get done. Over here, you have a couch and a sofa. You have a mirror on every wall, so you can really see what you look like all the time. This is what I look like right now, y'all. So, and then over here, we have a beautiful view of Vegas. It's hard to see right now because the reflection and the glare, but if you look down, we're on the 62nd floor, very high up. You have the sphere over there. You can see it, the Wynn Tower. And again, this is the Encore Tower Suite King. We're on the 62nd floor at the Wynn Resort and Hotel. And yeah, guys, a fabulous room, one of the nicest places to stay in Vegas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you at the next one.